Assalamu alaikum dear student. This is Shazia Ahmed, lecturer at Sindh University campus Larkano. Today I am going to teach you about how to write the articles and how to start writing the article. Before that you have to know about some familiar features that how to get the articles from. So first of all you go through the Google something that you write. For suppose you have type article names that you want to download, that you write transformation. For suppose I'm going to write article that is transformation of education from traditional to technology based education. But you need scholarly articles, so you can directly search from the Google or you can write through the Google Scholar. I write here from Google article. Sorry, from scholarly article. Okay, search here. I have seen. You will find that you can go through the Google Scholar link. So go through the but we missed the. You can also download from this, but you can write Google Scholar. Go through the Google Scholar. Here we have Google Scholar, and then write the article that you want to this. Or if suppose you want transformation of education okay, search. You have found number of articles. An article of any time. For suppose you want to since 2020 article 1916. I want to article from belong to 2019. Then I found here. Okay, you have the link that articles. For suppose I want to these articles, so I want to click on this. Here we have articles. We have found this article. Okay, then download it into downloads. Okay, you can set as your required name. Article has been downloaded. Now this is a process of downloading articles through the Google article. This is step 1 has been completed. Okay, after the downloading you have at least 5 related articles like this. For suppose this article name is employee infographic based on tablet application to improve the professional competence in the light of digital transformation of education in technology. Means you can download the education based technology with different means इस तरीके का नेम चेंज हो सकता है, लेकिन मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव जो होगा वो एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी है. लाइक दिस यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, तो आप उसको ऐड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इसी तरीके का आर्टिकल्स आपको डाउनलोड करना है. तकरीबन 5 आर्टिकल आपको डाउनलोड करने हैं. यू हैव टू डाउनलोड 5 आर्टिकल्स एंड यू कैन आल्सो डाउनलोड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस links or references are given ओवर हियर। यहाँ से आपको और भी आर्टिकल्स के लिंक्स दिए हुए हैं। फॉर सपोज आप इस आर्टिकल को पढ़ रहे हैं, पढ़ने के बाद इस आर्टिकल में आर्टिकल नंबर 10 है, वो रिलेटेड है, आपको समझ आ रहा है तो आप उसको भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। सिमिलरली इसको रीड करके कॉपी पेस्ट करके और सर्च करके नया डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। ओके, रेफरेंसेस हैं यहाँ पे गिवन। यहाँ पे दस रेफरेंसेस दिए गए हैं एक में। फॉर सपोज आप देखना चाहते हैं कि ये रेफरेंसेस कैसे ऐड हैं, तो वो हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। यहाँ तक हमने डिस्कस किया कि हाउ टू डाउनलोड द आर्टिकल्स through the Google link. Okay, we downloaded the article using Google Scholar. You can also download with another method, that is you can search articles by another type of website. I will discuss later in next lecture.